Shalom, shalom, queridos amigos. Bienvenidos en Bonora al nuevo curso de Ladino de Yiddishland. Have you ever been curious about Sephardic culture or wondered what language Sephardic Jews spoke for centuries? My name is Esther Rute, and I'm starting a beginner Ladino Judeo-Spanish course designed for people with zero background. You don't need Hebrew or any linguistic experience. My classes will be mainly conducted in Ladino. So from the very beginning, you'll start getting used to hearing and understanding it naturally. You will also be able to communicate using simple phrases right away and build a basic vocabulary that will help you to keep expanding your knowledge. We'll learn how to speak and understand everyday Ladino, read it in the regular alphabet, the Latin script, so-called Yerushalayim, and get a small introduction to Rashi script. And beyond the language, we'll explore the culture through songs, sayings, and traditions, the living world behind the words. So whether you love languages, study history, and want to reconnect with your heritage, this is a comfortable place to start. Come learn something unique with us. Al vernos en el curso.